do you like to bake those big bakery style chocolate chip muffins? The ones that are really soft and are loaded with rich chocolate? So here we go. Hi friends, this is Deepali from DeepaliOhri.com, and today I'm going to bake bakery style big size chocolate chip muffins for you. So in a bowl, first of all sift your dry ingredients. So here goes the all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking soda and salt. So let's just sift all these together. Although there is no need, but then also I'm just mixing all of these together with a wire whisk, just to make sure that everything is mixed properly together. And now here comes our chocolate chips. So I'm going to add some chocolate chips into my dry ingredients just to make sure they are properly coated, and while baking they are not stuck at the bottom of my muffins. So here I have some bittersweet chocolate which I'm going to melt in a microwave. You can also melt this over a double boiler. So my chocolate is melted now. Let it cool down for a little bit and then add some oil into this. I'm using vegetable oil, vanilla extract, brown sugar, some eggs, and yogurt or curd. And then I'm going to mix all of these together with a wire whisk. So once this is mixed, we are going to add our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients, and I'm going to gently fold this with my spatula. Now we just have to fold this until there are no more lumps of the flour, and you don't have to beat it because you have to make it sure you don't develop the gluten by mixing it too much. So just gently mix it. And now I'm going to prepare my cupcake tin, and I'm gonna line these with my paper liners. I'm using 9 paper liners here because the batter is going to make 9 muffins. And now I'm going to take 2 spoons and fill up the liners pretty much all the way to the top. So we are going for the big size here, remember, so that is why I'm filling it till the top. And now I'm going to top this with some more chocolate chip just to make it triple chocolate muffins here. This is smelling so good. And now I'm going to bake these in my preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 17 to 18 minutes. Do not over bake them. So here it comes. Over baking is going to make them more dry, so just make sure. So you can see they are very nice and soft on top. Just see, very soft, and they're even softer on the inside, you will see once we open it. I'm really happy with these muffins, how they look, and they're more like brownie type muffins. So let's see if they are soft from inside too. See, now these are brownie like, and because of the lot of chocolate we have put into this, they are really moist, super soft, exactly what we were looking for. Now bake those big size bakery style muffins at home. Bake for your friends, for your family, for your kids, and make them happy. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for many such sweet and tasty baking recipes. So until we meet again, goodbye and take care.